You fall.
Yeah.
How many did you eat?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, you ate 5 spring roll. You ate 5 lumpia.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done, Jackie. Are you going? Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. At kami ang Greek Filipino family na nandito sa United Kingdom. Sa United Kingdom. United Kingdom. So for today's video is back to our normal life. So pupunta na naman kami ngayon sa aming maliit na karinderya para magtrabaho doon. At syempre, ang mga anak ko ay dadalhin ko doon. So maglalakad kami para exercise, para bawas taba ko. At saka si Cassie kasi medyo chubby na si Cassie kaya kailangan magbawas ng timbang. So everyday, kapag pupunta kami ng karinderya namin, hindi kami sasabay sa asawa ko kasi gusto ko maglakad lang kami para exercise. So, para healthy na rin. At, ang lulutuin ko ngayon is yung bunso namin na si Jackie is nag-request siya ng lumpia. Kasi paborito niya kasi, ang paborito niyang Filipino food is ang lumpiang Shanghai at saka pansit. So, dahil wala akong pansit, hindi ako naka-order sa Filipino store. So, ang gagawin ko na lang ngayon is lumpia lang muna. So, lulutuan ko si Jackie. Siyempre, si Pili at saka si Cassie din kasi gustong-gusto din nila ang lumpiang Shanghai. So, pagdating namin doon sa aming karinderya is gagawin ko sila ng lumpiang Shanghai. So, hope you like this video and enjoy watching! Si Pilya nauna na sa amin. Ang bilis ni Pilya maglakad.
Everybody has
Kami, ako si Jackie.
Mommy, everybody has pack.
Si Jackie, napakadaldal. Walang hinto sa pagsasalita hanggang ngayon. What you like? What did you say?
I said, all the people at the platypus loves to eat swordfish.
Yes. Everybody likes to eat fish. I love fish. Do you like fish?
At swordfish.
Ayan si Cassie.
Mommy.
Napagod. Ayaw niyang maglakad kasi
Mami.
napapagod siya. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, she needed kasi exercise para mabawasan yung timbang niya. You're tired already. It's good for you. Malapit na kami sa aming karinderya. At si Cassie, pagod na kakalakad. Are you very tired kasi?
Yeah.
Si Jackie, pagod na din. Malapit na kami, mga 5 minutes lakad na lang. 40 minutes kasi lahat from our house hanggang sa aming karinderya. 40 minutes ang lalakarin. Yan si Pilya, oh, sobrang layo. Layo na ni Pilya. Yan, ang bilis maglakad. Walk, go walk. What's that face? Andito na kami ngayon sa aming karinderya at magluluto hindi pa lang magluluto. At gagawa na ako ngayon ng lumpia. So ang gagawin kong lumpia ngayon is baka. Beef lumpia. So meron tayo ditong minced beef, sibuyas dahon, tsaka hiwain to ng pinong-pino. Siyempre, ang ating main ingredients ang lumpia wrapper. At dahil tamad akong magkudkod ng onion kasi masakit sa mata, ang gagamitin ko is onion powder. Pero mas mabuti kung yung fresh onion ang kudkurin nyo kasi mas masarap. Masarap din naman kapag onion powder. At saka, instead na fresh garlic, na kudkurin na fresh garlic, so ito ang gagamitin ko. Garlic granules. Para diretso na lang. At ang gagawin ko palang lumpia is yung medyo, yung kunting anghang lang. Kaya lalagyan ko ng kunting chili oil. Siyempre, ang ating paminta hindi mawawala. At carrots din. Kutkurin ang carrots. At siyempre, lalagyan ng asin para masarap at malasa ang ating lumpia. So ayan, ano ko na yung tawag dito, nag-grated ko na yung carrots, yung 4 na carrots, ayan. Tapos ngayon, so i-mix na natin lahat ng mga ingredients. So ilagay muna natin yung minced beef. papel yan. May papel. So, tanggalin yung papel. Ayan. Ito pa ba dito? Wala na. And ilagay yung sibuyas dahon, hiniwa ko ng pino. So, dyan, lagay. Tapos, garlic granules. Pero mas mabuti kung pagkurin nyo yung fresh garlic. So, 1 teaspoon. So, ayan. 1 teaspoon.
Great.
Onion powder. So, 1 teaspoon din. Pero mas mabuti kung fresh onion na, yung red fresh onion, kudkurin nyo. Mas mabuti. Again, 1 teaspoon. Ayan. At paminta. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang paminta. So, the same, 1 teaspoon din. Ayan. Okay. At, kasi, yung mga anak ko, gusto nila ng medyo may kumananghang. So, lalagyan natin na yung chili oil. Yung oil lang talaga siya. Yung wala sang chili sa loob. Yung ano lang yung oil. So, lalagyan natin ng chili oil. Ayan. So, lagyan natin ng 2 teaspoon ng chili oil. Ayan. Kunti lang. Para kunting anghang lang. Siyempre, ang asin. So, depende lang sa inyo kung ilang asin ang gusto nyo ilagay.
That's a lot.
Sa talat. So, parang mga 1 kutsarang asin yata ito. Yan. So, lagyan ng 1 kutsarang asin. So, ayan. Yung kamay ko, malinis to ha. Tapos, i-mix siyang mabuti. Haluin mabuti. So, nakalimutan ko pala kanina. Every time na nagagawa ako ng lumpia, lagi kong nilalagyan ng kunting toyo. So, lalagyan ko ng 2 teaspoon ng toyo.
Vinegar.
Pandagdag lasa. Pandagdag sarap. Yan. Pero hindi ko dadamihan ng toyo. Yung kunting toyo lang ang ilalagay ko. Pampalasa lang. So, ayan. 2 teaspoon ng toyo. Tapos, luing mabuti. Tapos, kapag na-mix mo na siya properly, i-start na natin na i-wrapper yung lumpia. Okay, so, ganito yung itsura ng lumpia wrapper dito. Nabili ko sa Thailand store. So, sa pag-wrap ng lumpia, so, kailangan i-ano mo siya yung parang triangle shape. Na pagkalagay, ganyan. Ito. Triangle shape. Tapos, lagay natin sa gitna ang ating lumpia mix. Ayan. Tapos, i-spread siya ng yung parang gumagawa ka lang din ng suman. So, ganyan. So, make sure malinis ang kamay nyo. So, ako na, lagi kong hinuhugasan ang kamay ko. Make sure ko na malinis ang kamay ko bago ako nag-wrap nito. So, i-fold side by side. Si correct?
Oh, yeah.
Ayan. So, i-fold side by side. Yan, ganyan. Tapos, ganito. So, ganyan. Tapos, i-roll. Yan.
No, Jackie, don't put it in a bowl.
And, lagyan ng tubig dito sa pinakadulo para mag-stick yung wrapper dito. Yan. Lagyan ng
You
tubig.
put water in it. Is
Yeah.
tubig mean water?
Yeah, tubig means water.
Okay.
So, ayan. So, make sure na dumikit yung wrapper. So, ayan na yun. At ito na rin yung mga nagawa ko. At i-wrap natin to lahat. At mamaya is magluluto na tayo ng lumpiang Shanghai. So, ayan. Natapos ko nang i-roll ang ating lumpia. At sa 500 grams na minced beef, ang nagawa ko is 22 pieces. Tapos, malalaki siya. Malalaking lumpia ang nagawa ko yan. Tapos 22 pieces. So, ayan. So, ready to cook na. So, ngayon is lulutuin ko na to para snacks ng mga anak ko. So, let's go start cooking. Okay, thank you. Inaantay ko lang na uminit itong oil dito sa pan bago ko isalang ang lumpia Shanghai para crispy. So, mainit na yung ating oil. So, atin na lang ilagay ang ating lumpia. Yan. Ganyan. So, antayin lang hanggang mag-golden brown ang lumpia. Tapos, ready na siya kapag golden brown na siya. At ayan, ready na ang ating lumpiang Shanghai. Ang pinaka-paboritong pagkain ni Jackie at ni Philia. Paborito nila to. At syempre, gusto din ito ni Cassandra. Ayan na yung lumpia. So, 22 pieces yan. Tsaka si Jackie at si Cassie excited na kumain. So you can eat now. There's no people here. It's okay. Andito kami sa labas ng aming karinderya. Ayan. Sobrang init ngayon. Nice? Tsaka siyempre may sauce. Sweet chili sauce.
It's not sweet chili. It's sriracha and sweet chili the same.
Yeah. It's sriracha sauce. Yung pang spring roll na sauce.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I could touch it. Or my hand is the spring
Is it?
roll
It's
is
too
better
hot.
than hot.
It's too hot for you.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
more
Cassie can deal with both spicy and sour things, while I can't.
Why?
Because it's just too sour or spicy.
Okay, don't put in the sauce if it's too sour.
But
Or you can have ketchup.
No, it's okay. I'm gonna like dip it in. Can I get barbecue sauce? Can I have vinegar? Don't.
Barbecue in the spring roll.
What water is this? Is it yours? No, I got them both. I just got us.
Sharing. So what can you say about the spring roll? As usual, is yummy.
Can you have this?
Kasi
Can I have
as usual, is yummy.
vinegar sauce? Can I have vinegar sauce?
It's very hot.
Vinegar sauce.
Nice.
Yeah. Me.
It's a little bit spicy because I put a little bit of chili oil
my
on it.
hand.
Or you cannot taste the spicy.
Can I taste the spice?
It's for my hand.
It's
It's
very-
for my hand.
Yeah.
Though it's very hot, I like the crispy taste. I'm gonna taste the meat now.
Mommy, it's well body.
As usual, yummy.
It's body.
Just like before.
It's
Try to taste me.
body.
I wanted to
Oh,
taste
yeah.
something.
Ayaw mo minute.
The smell.
Hey, say, can I have some water, please?
Some water.
Don't just grab.
I want to say something about it. The filling inside is both meaty and fruity, and also juicy. I love the taste. It's also fully cooked that I really like.
Mm-hmm. What you like it?
The dye smells sweet. The dye smells sweet and
Could I have it?
juicy.
Thank you.
Yes.
I smell
Although you
sweet and juicy.
Do you like the spring roll? Yeah, spring roll. Is the spring roll is your favorite food in the whole wide world? Yes, I know. That's why I
I'm juicy.
made it for you.
I
You
smell.
don't want the spicy sauce. Yeah, there's ketchup as well.
Yeah, ketchup. Get ketchup for you, okay? And the sweet sriracha is for Philia and Cassie. Yung sauce ni Jackie is ketchup.
She
Tomato
smells
ketchup.
very spicy.
I'm gonna have this.
Kasi maanghang sa kanya yung
It
sweet chili
smells
sriracha
spicy.
sauce.
It smells so spicy.
Mm-hmm. You happy now? I cook your favorite food.
Yeah. Casperia smells spicy.
Uh-huh. It's spicy.
I have smells
Smells like
spicy.
nothing. No. Anyway, today I put on.
I
So when I had a bath, I put or deodorant. And then when I went outside, I started sweating again.
Yeah, I know, 'cause it's too hot today. And yesterday.
Ow.
Careful.
It's very hot. I don't want that was
So ayan, as usual, gustong-gusto nila ang lumpia. Sarap na sarap yan sila sa lumpia. Sabi nila the best daw ang Filipino spring roll kaysa sa ibang mga spring
the
roll.
best snack.
Meron natikman nila.
Is this a side meal? Or
Don't put it in the table. You don't know what they put in there.
Just stuff it.
Eat it.
Mommy, is lumpia like a street food in the Philippines?
Yeah, it's like a street food.
What do you get in the street food?
But it's not really street food. It's like our
Side meal? Snack?
yeah, it's like a snack. And all the Filipino love it. Because it's very yummy and crunchy and tasty.
Even Sophia.
All the Filipino love eating lumpia.
Mama,
Yeah.
every Filipino in have you heard of Tajin sauce?
You fall.
Yeah.
How many did you eat?
1, 2, 4, 5.
Wow, you ate 5 spring roll. You ate 5 lumpia.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done, Jackie. Are you going inside now?
Yeah.
Yeah, why? You playing Papa's phone again?
Yeah.
Okay. So si Jackie nakakain siya ng 5 lumpia. Ayan, oh, kunti na lang natira. Eat it all, okay? We're gonna eat it all.
Mama, how much do you have?
I only eat
No,
just this one. Only one. This is my first one.
This is my 5th one.
Your 5th one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's alright, it's only spring roll. It's not
I
like,
don't know how much Cassie has.
it's not a fatty food. It's a protein food.
So I had 3.
Doesn't matter. You can eat it all.
I had 3.
The fatty food is like the rice, the pasta, the bread. But meat is a protein. So it's yeah, bread makes you fat. So you need to eat less rice, less bread, less pasta,
So can
and-
I go?
and less potato and less sweets.
Mama,
Okay,
can I find Jackie?
just inside.
Is this pastry?
Yeah, pastry. Yeah. Yummy.
This doesn't contain lots of carbohydrates.
Yeah, but it's only like very thin pieces. So ayan, 2 na lang natira. Naubos ni Philia at saka ni Cassie. Sarap na sarap sa lumpia. Very delicious. Yeah. Very delicious talaga ang lumpia. Ang spring roll nating mga Pilipino. Walang makakatalo sa sarap.
Crispy on the outside, meaty in the inside.
Yeah.
Very delicious. 10 out of 10. This is definitely my favorite food. Definitely.
Yes.
With the
Halata
sauce.
naman. Kita mo naman. Oh, kita nyo
With
naman.
the sauce, it has
2
more
na lang
flavor.
natira sa 22 pieces. Ito daw kasi 1 each for you.
Bow.
1 for you and 1 for Philia.
I mean bow.
You sure? Don't be shy.
And bow.
Okay, 1 for me and 1 for Philia.
And also, I had 6 of them.
6.
With Jackie, this is either my 9th or 10th. Sorry,
Sarap.
lumpia is my favorite food.
Yeah, I
That's why
know.
I keep eating it. And
It's your-
Cassie likes shobai. She ate 13 before.
Yeah.
Wait, how much did you have? 9 or 10. I think it's 10. So Philly had 10, Jackie had 5, and then you had 1. No.
I have
Three.
4 now. It's my 4.
And you had 4. And then that leaves it to 19. So and then I counted it to. And then I did that. So earlier it was like 19, and then I counted to 3. So earlier I had 3, and now I ate 3 more.
Okay. Nag-bake si Philia ng cookies. Ayan. Look, it's Ginaya niya sa TikTok. Sana masarap. Si Philia gumawa ng sarili niyang cookies. She likes baking. Do you
Yes.
like baking? Yeah.
I only know how to make cupcakes and biscuits, though.
Biscuit or cookies?
I mean cookies. I'm gonna spread some icing on top when it's all cooled down. Jackie, do you like the cookie? We're gonna give one to Cassie now. Here you go, Cassie.
Tikman. Can I try?
Of course.
So, tikman ko nga. Ito yung first.
Cassie!
Jackie, you know, girl. So, first time ni Pilya gumawa ng cookies. So, ginaya niya sa TikTok o sa YouTube?
TikTok.
Ginaya niya sa TikTok. So, tikman natin kung masarap ba. So, tikman natin. Mm. In fairness, masarap yung ginawang cookies ni Pilya. Malambot na crunchy. Hindi gaya sa ibang cookies na kapag kinakain mo matigas, pero ito malambot na crunchy. Sobrang lambot na kapag ginuya mo is crunchy. I like your very nice, Pilya. Very good, well done. Very nice.
Thank you.
Very
I'm glad
nice.
you enjoyed it.
Very nice.
She's so naughty.
No.
This is how I decorate.
Mommy, now do like this.
Ayan, nilagyan niya ng decoration yung cookies na binake niya.
And then
No, while it's chocolate basic, I'm gonna try.
I'll let you try after.
Ang dumi ng freezer. Oh. Si Jackie kasi kapag kumain ng chocolate, basta-basta na
It
lang
tastes great as well.
pinapahid yung kamay niya kung saan-saan. Kaya ayan, ang dumi ng freezer. Mga chocolate yan, kinain niya kanina.
I know what's big.
Pinahid niya yung kamay niya dyan sa freezer.
No.
Nad, no. Wait.
Daddy, oh Daddy, oh
Yeah, Jackie, please.
Daddy.
Yes.
Okay, Jackie, you can lick the spoon. Wait, no.
Ayan, yung ginawa ni Philia. Nilagyan niya ng sprinkle.
I decorated this all by myself and I'm really proud of it. I actually am.
So you bake your own cookies and you put decoration on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't just buy it from the store. Just make it yourself.
Yeah.
If you can't afford anything, you can
Very
just make
good.
it yourself.
Looks very yummy.
The only thing you'll need to buy is the ingredients, though. I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Well done, Philia.
Thank you.
You're a good baker. You can be a, how do you say that? You can have your own bakery soon. When
You
grow
can
up.
be a
Ayan yung
baker
plain
when you
cookies.
grow up.
Ayan yung
You'll be a
decoration
baker
niya.
when you grow up.
Yes, Jackie.
Mommy, what's
Who
gonna be
wants a
when
chocolate
I was
cookie?
grown up?
You be a fish and chip shop girl. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo sa mga video namin at sa mga nag-subscribe na sa amin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe niyo ang channel namin. And please like and share our video na rin. So thank you so much talaga sa inyong lahat. So see you in the next vlog. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you soon. Kiss, kiss. Wow.